How to fix your Instagram swipe reply option not working. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will walk you through some of the ways on how you can fix if the swipe reply option is not working on your Instagram app. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So what the issue over here seems to be that, let's say I go ahead and then simply open the Instagram app on my phone, and then I go to the DMs page, for example, and then I simply open any of the DMs on this particular screen. So let me go ahead and open any of the DMs. What the issue over here is that whenever you receive a message, in order to reply to them, you would need to simply swipe right, and then you would be able to reply to that specific message. Or else what you could also do is you could simply long press on it, and then you could tap on the reply option right at the bottom corner of the screen. But let's say that this option is not working for you. There are a few ways that you can actually verify it out. The first thing, you want to make sure that you are not chatting on the vanish mode, because if you are chatting on Instagram on vanish mode or disappearing mode, you will not be able to swipe to a specific message. I have tried this myself and I tried using it on vanish mode. So simply make sure that you are not on vanish mode. Whenever you're on vanish mode, your interface will look something like this. You have to simply swipe up and you can see you are on the vanish mode. But if you're not on vanish mode, then only you'll be able to reply to that specific message. So keep that in mind. The next thing we will do is, if you're sure about that as well, we will go ahead and check for our application update. In case it has any type of update available, we will go ahead and fix that with the help of an update. So I will go ahead and then type in Instagram, let's say for example. Once you type in Instagram, as you can see in my case, we do have an update button there. So what you have to do is simply tap on the update button in order to update the Instagram app to the latest version. What updating does is that it is going to fix most of your issues and bugs. And even after updating, you are not being able to fix the issue. What I would recommend to do is simply report it to the help center. In order to report it to the help center, let the installation process to be finished first. I will simply show you. We have to go to our profile page and we need to go to our settings and so on. So let's wait until the installation process is first finished. So after your installation of the Instagram app, I will open Instagram, and then what I will do is I will go to my profile page. So let the application to load. Go to your profile page from the bottom right corner of the screen, and then on the top right again, tap on the three horizontal lines. Once you tap on the three horizontal lines, here you want to go ahead and then tap on settings. As you tap on settings, you want to go to the option which says help. Now you could go ahead and then simply report a problem to Instagram saying that you have updated the app, you have made sure you're not in vanish mode, but still the swipe option feature is not working. Hopefully with a positive solution, they will get back to you as soon as possible. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.